In today's video, I'm going to teach you Docusign payment, how to accept credit cards, Stripe, PayPal, and ACH 5 minutes. We're going to connect a payment gateway so your customers can pay at the same time they sign. Start by signing in to your Docusign account with an administrator role. From your home screen, open the admin area. This is where you'll manage account level settings and connect integrations that power payments. Inside the admin console, head to integrations, then open the App Center. The App Center is Docusign's marketplace of trusted apps, including payment gateways. Before installing anything, take a moment to review the supported payment methods by gateway. This page helps you choose the right provider. You'll see, for example, which gateways handle credit and debit cards, digital wallets, or bank transfers, and which regions and currencies they support. Stripe is a popular choice because it supports credit and debit cards, ACH, SEPA bank transfers, Apple Pay, and Google Pay. If you prefer PayPal and its wallet experience, you can confirm that support here as well. Pick the option that lines up with your customers, your currency, and your compliance requirements. For this walkthrough, we'll proceed with Stripe. Click Stripe to open its listing in the App Center, then select Install App. Docusign will guide you through a secure connection flow. When prompted, log in with your payment provider credentials to link the accounts and authorize the connection. Once you approve access, you'll be returned to Docusign with a confirmation that the integration is active. After the link is in place, payment features become available when you build envelopes and templates. You'll be able to add a payment to your document, set a fixed amount, or use itemized charges, choose a currency, and assign it to the signer. If you plan to accept ACH or SEPA through Stripe, make sure those methods are enabled in your Stripe settings. For Apple Pay and Google Pay, verify that your wallets are configured on the gateway side so they appear automatically as options to your signers. A few quick tips before you go live: confirm you're using the correct environment, such as test versus live, and run a small test transaction end-to-end to verify the signer experience. Check your payment provider's fees, supported currencies, and any prerequisites for bank transfers or wallets. Finally, make sure your Docusign templates clearly show the amount due and any terms, so signers know exactly what they're paying for. That's it. You've connected Docusign to a payment gateway and are ready to accept credit cards, PayPal, and ACH during signing.